Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this one, I will show you guys exactly how I made all this fucking money, all from purely deving meme coins on Pump.Fun directly. Now, in my opinion, deving meme coins is way more profitable and way more safer than trading them instead. So, if you want to learn exactly how to do this for yourself and dev meme coins professionally, well, this video is for you. Keep watching. Most people, when they start making money in meme coins, they usually make that money by trading. But what if I told you that there's a better option that is way safer, okay? You do not have to risk a lot of your portfolio, and it's only high upside. And that's deving meme coins, okay? Because instead of buying into a coin, okay, and then getting completely dumped on by the dev, well, you are the dev, and you are the one in control of the chart. You are the one dumping on everyone, and then you can just launch and repeat that method, bro. That's exactly why I started deving, bro. It's simply for the fact that I am the one in control. Now, making a meme coin on chain is really fucking simple. All we're doing is finding a narrative, making a coin out of it, bro. Okay, we launch it, we wait for buyers, and when the market cap is high, you simply just dump on them, and you can rinse and repeat that method as many times as you want, bro. And making coins costs virtually nothing, so that's why I dev meme coins. And by the way, bro, this is not a get rich quick scheme, okay? Sometimes on your coin you might make $100, sometimes 50, sometimes 0, sometimes 10k, sometimes 100k. You never know, okay? And yeah, bro, in today's video I will show you guys exactly how to make a coin on chain professionally. By the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice. It's all fake. Do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. Chop! Now right here I have a clear plan of what deving meme coins actually is. If you want to start deving meme coins, bro, first of all, there's no more initial risk when it comes to actually launching your coins. Okay, unlike trading, okay, if you buy in a coin, you could lose all your money by the dev at any given moment. You have no control, bro. But when you dev, bro, well, making a meme coin costs like nothing, right? And then you control the chart, so you can do whatever the fuck you want. And that comes to the second thing. You control the chart. You decide if you want to dump the coin or not. You decide everything that happens in your coin, okay? You could fucking clip profits while it's going up, and then you can just dump it, right? You can do whatever the fuck you want. You don't need a big crypto portfolio. All you need is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5 so, okay? Just a couple bucks. But if you start trading, bro, you need thousands of dollars. So I would highly recommend to dev coins, and the more launches you do, the more chances you have of making money. That is 100% right. Right here on my 3 wallets, I made 30k, 14k, 23k, and I had to launch around 500 coins combined in between these wallets to make this amount. Obviously, bro, that does not include the supply that I made on the side and the other stuff. So you guys can see how lucrative it is, and you have to be consistent on your launches, bro. I made this in like 31 days, so that's around 10 to 20 coins a day. You have to be consistent, bro, okay? Do not be mad on the first launch if you make nothing or if you lose like $1, right? But yeah, bro, just launch a bunch of coins and see what happens, and then get better. And then you make money from the creator fees and from the supply. And that is why I dev meme coins, and that will come to the next step, and that is where do you make your meme coins. Now, most people make them directly on Pump.Fun, but let me tell you why you do not want to be launching your coins on Pump.Fun. First of all, because it's over competitive. There's too many coins launching at once, so as a dev, you're wasting your time and your energy. And second of all, okay, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your creator fees, and they take a cut from your liquidity pool if you launch it directly on their platform. Okay? Now, the whole point of deving meme coins is to get your meme coin in front of the Raydium DEX right here, and that will never happen if you launch them here. That's why you have to be launching them on coinlabs.fun, bro, because this launchpad launches every single meme coin you have, well, you launch onto the Raydium DEX in front of actual fucking traders on the fucking spot. That is exactly how you get free promo by launching right here directly to Raydium. You are skipping the entire bonding curve and you are getting an edge over every single other dev. That's why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now, you could either make a coin by creating a coin from scratch or copying one. I like to copy coins because all of these coins are going viral. They all have a good narrative on Pump.Fun, which means you are bound to make some type of, Solana if you copy a coin, because bro, all you're doing is copying a coin, launching it back to Raydium, and then a bunch of people are going to see your coin. And since the narrative is already proven to work, well, there's a high chance you surpass that copy or you make a fraction of those profits. That's why I copy coins. Alright, now it's time to lock in and deploy your token to see how much we can make, all live in today's video, bro. You guys have to keep listening because, bro, this will be the most important part of the video. Now, first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected, then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. Just go for something, right? Copy it and see if it works. I'm gonna go with the OWO coin. It has a last buy 5 seconds ago, a Tele, a X, a Pump.Fun obviously. So copy the Raydium, wait for Phantom White to pop up. Okay, ignore the block, it's completely normal. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied in a couple fucking seconds. Just give it some fucking time, come on. Boom, and now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this step of the launch is really important because we are creating our liquidity pool for our coin, which will be able to make people buy your coin, sell it, and you have full control over your whole liquidity pool. Now, token A, click on 90%, bro. That will drop 900 million tokens, which is a juicy number. It's the sweet spot for the supply. Token B is where you will be buying your coin, okay? You will be the first ever buyer in your coin. And some people get this wrong, okay? You are not losing anything here, okay? That first buy will be a minimum of 0.3 SOL. You can do more if you want, but I would highly recommend 0.3 SOL. And you will get this back later once you remove the liquidity, because you are the dev, you are in control of your own coin. So it's only obvious that you will get this back. Click on crit pool right after, wait for Phantom White to pop up, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, understand, then click on confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button down below, then scroll down, and boom, the OW coin, the OWO coin is on live, and your PNL will be right here. And if you click on the refresh button, actually, you guys can see that our profits went up to $100 because right off the bat, people are aping in. Since we copied a coin that went viral before, well, now we're getting a lot of buyers, right? It's only obvious. Now click on view on Photon. Okay, go on Axiom, go on Nova to see the chart. Let me go on full screen to have a better view of the coin, right? Just for you guys, right? And then it should load in. And as you guys can see, guys, the coin is live. We're getting a lot of transactions. I think if I had to guess, I think we're up like 200 at the moment, right? With a 1.3k market cap. But the more transactions you get in, the more, profits you rack in from your supply and from the creator fees, which is absolutely insane, okay? We made this coin for completely $0, right? For completely free. Anybody can make a coin on chain for free, but we used the Raydium method with CoinLabs, okay? And that is why we're getting a lot of transactions. We got instantly pushed out the thousands of eyeballs, and that is leading us to higher volume. That's exactly why I dev Memecoins, bro. 1.3k market cap. We are getting transactions every single second, which is really, really good. $54 buy. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and when I come back, bro, you will see how to cash out. Be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 5.6k market cap, 2k liquidity. Things are looking good, bro. I think we made a decent amount of bread, so I'm not going to be greedy. Come back to coinlabs.fun and then obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, boom, $1.77,000 in PNL. It's all legit because watch, okay? Click on the mouse button. Here you can choose the percentage that you want to remove. I'm just going to do everything, then remove liquidity, then wait for Phantom White to pop up. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you do it from start to fucking finish. Now look, okay, for proof, if I open my Phantom wallet, boom, I did not cut anything. Here, bro, it's all legit. Okay, everything is in. And yeah, bro, that's exactly how you dev meme coins. And it's still really, really profitable because most people trade meme coins and not a lot of people actually dev them. And that's why it's so fucking untapped. Okay, Coinlabs.Fun will be linked in the comments down below, bro. Go try it out. Do not get discouraged on the first coin if you only make a couple hundred. So launch like fucking hundreds like me, bro, every single month. Let's fucking go. Join my Discord, join my Telegram. Peace out.